The air conditioning system in a car is essential for keeping the cabin comfortable, especially during hot weather. When the compressor starts to fail, the entire AC system can lose efficiency or stop working altogether. Recognizing the early warning signs of a bad compressor can help you address the problem before it leads to more expensive repairs. Strange noises coming from the AC system are one of the first signs of compressor trouble. If you hear hissing or rattling sounds when the air conditioning is turned on, it may indicate internal damage to the compressor. These noises are usually caused by worn or damaged internal components, such as bearings or the clutch mechanism. Grinding noises are more serious because they often suggest that internal parts are breaking down, and if ignored, this can eventually lead to complete compressor failure. Warm or inconsistent air coming from the vents even when the AC is set to the cold setting is another sign of a possible compressor problem. The compressor is responsible for circulating and pressurizing refrigerant so that the cooling process can occur. When it starts to fail, it may not be able to maintain proper refrigerant pressure, which leads to poor cooling performance. As a result, the air blowing into the cabin may feel warm, fluctuate between cold and warm, or fail to cool the interior effectively. Another common symptom of a bad AC compressor is when the AC clutch fails to engage. In this case, you may notice that the compressor pulley is spinning while the center part of the clutch is not moving. The clutch is responsible for connecting the engine power to the compressor so it can circulate refrigerant. If it does not engage, the compressor will not compress the refrigerant, which results in the air conditioning system blowing warm air. This problem can be caused by electrical faults, a worn clutch coil, low refrigerant pressure, or internal compressor damage. Oil or refrigerant leaks around the compressor housing are another clear indication that the AC compressor may be damaged. When seals inside the compressor wear out or crack, these fluids can escape and leave visible oil residue or wet spots around the compressor body. A burning smell coming from the engine bay when the AC is running is a serious warning sign of compressor or belt-related problems. This odor is often caused by excessive friction from a worn serpentine belt or overheating internal compressor components. When the compressor struggles to operate properly, its parts may rub against each other or overheat, producing a burning rubber or oil-like smell. If you notice a burning smell, stop using the AC system and have the vehicle inspected as soon as possible. Regular maintenance and prompt inspection can help ensure that the AC system continues to work efficiently and keeps the cabin comfortable in all weather conditions.